So I have some phrases I want to share with you. Just so the first one is if this goes on. If this goes on means यदि ये चलता रहा, यदि ये
Yes.
चलता रहा. Okay. If this goes on, you will fail again. We are suggesting someone who is not studying properly, so we can say, if this goes on, you will fail again. Means he already has failed once, and it's the second time. If he will not study well, so he will fail. So we if this goes
Okay.
on.
This. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes we are not doing our work properly and carefully, so our parents or our relative can say that if this goes on you will not complete your aim.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
If this goes on, no one will care for you. If this
Yes.
goes on, no one will care for you because you are being careless, so who will be careful for about
Yes.
you?
Yes.
Okay. And the next example, if this goes on, what we will eat? यदि ऐसा चलता रहे तो हम क्या खाएंगे? What will we
Yes.
eat?
Yes.
Okay. And the next one is no wonder. No wonder means इसमें कोई आश्चर्य नहीं है. Suppose
Yes.
somebody is saying he is late again. He is late
Yes.
again. So we can say no wonder if he is late. It's his
Yes.
habit. Okay. So
Okay.
no wonder. No wonder if he's telling lies. No wonder if he's telling lies. Means अगर वो झूठ बोल रहा है तो कोई आश्चर्य नहीं है, उसकी तो आदत है.
Yes. No
Okay.
wonder. No
Yeah.
wonder.
No wonder he is hungry. He didn't eat anything. यदि वो कह रहा है कि मैं भूखा हूँ तो इसमें कोई आश्चर्य नहीं है क्योंकि उसने कुछ नहीं खाया. No wonder
Yes.
if he is hungry.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is what's the use of?
What's the
What's the
use of?
use of? Okay.
Okay.
मीन्स क्या फायदा है, क्या फायदा है.
Yes.
If you're not paying proper attention towards your learning, so what's the use of making video?
Yes.
What's the use of? क्या फायदा है फिर?
Yes.
Okay.
If you are not using, if you are not speaking English, so what's the use of learning English?
Yeah, yeah, if you're not speaking English in front of others, so what's the use of learning English? That's right. And if you're not, if you don't want to meet them, so what's the use of inviting them at our home? Okay. And what's the use of decorating when we are selling this house? What's the use of decorating this house because we are going to sell it? So there is no
Yes.
use. क्या फायदा है इसका?
Yes.
Okay. And the next one is a dash has its own feel. Has its own feel.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Dash
Oh.
has means इसका अपना ही मजा है. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
इसका अपना ही मजा है. Means चाय पीने का अपना ही मजा है. Taking tea has its own feel.
Yes. It has own feel.
Yeah, taking tea has its own feel. Yeah, learning English has its own feel. English
Yes.
सीखना का अपना ही मजा है. English सीखने का अपना ही मजा है.
Yes.
Yeah, so learning
It
English,
has
it's
own feel.
yeah,
Own.
learning English has its own feel.
Its own. Yes.
Oh yeah. And the next one is head to toe. Head to toe.
Head to toe.
You must know about them. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
We
Head
can
to
say top to toe. Top to toe
top
or
to
head to
bottom.
toe means ऊपर से नीचे तक. Yeah,
Yes.
top to
Top to
bottom. Yeah,
bottom.
we can say in other different manner. Yeah. So
Yes.
we can say top to bottom or head to toe or top
Yes.
to toe.
Yes.
So he started seeing me up to top to toe. उसने मुझे ऊपर से
Yes.
नीचे तक देखना शुरू कर दिया. Means if we are suddenly reached there and he started looking like that, so that is the top to toe.
Top to toe.
And he was wearing रेड ड्रेस टॉप टू टो, उसने ऊपर से नीचे तक रेड ड्रेस पहनी थी.
red dress
या
only.
टॉप टू टो.
Yes. It's
And if we want to give any someone compliment, so we can say you are looking gorgeous top to toe. ऊपर से नीचे तक तुम gorgeous लग रहे हो.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's really
So
top to
that
toe.
kind of words we can use.
Yes.
Okay. And one of these is second to none. Do you know about that? Second to none.
Second to none. No, I haven't heard.
Okay. So second to none means किसी से कम नहीं. Okay.
Okay, second
किसी
to
से कम नहीं. As a
second
thing, second to
to
none.
none. Okay, second to none.
Okay, if somebody has done something special, so we can say, wow, well done. You are second to none. You are second to
Second.
none. Okay, तुम किसी
Yes.
से कम नहीं हो. And as a singer, he is second to none. As a dancer, she is second to none.
Yes.
So we
Second
can
to
say
none.
like that. Yeah, yeah. If you will practice seriously, you will be second to none.
Yes.
So that type of words we can use our day-to-day conversation. So
Yes.
that's all for
Full,
today.
very yes, very
Yeah,
useful phrasal sentence is it?
yeah. We can say
Yes.
phrasal verbs or idioms are also that like that, but these are
Yes.
phrasal verbs
Okay. Yes, it's a
because
wonderful,
these
very
are
useful.
words combining with the more words. So we can say these are phrase.
Yes, 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 and
Yeah,
very useful. If we use it, so it is going to help us a lot because
yeah. This
sometimes
type.
yes,
Yeah.
in a book, even if you read book, there is a lots of phrasal verbs you will get and
Yes.
idioms you will get because they describe very short. So it is good
Yeah.
for us if we learn before reading.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Because these days, advanced structures, idioms, and phrases are used
This
to
is
attract our listener by using these type
yes,
of words.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes,
and we can make our fluency very
more
smooth.
better. Yes,
Yeah,
more better.
because we are saying a lot of things is just in a word or in a sentence.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. If you are reading book, so if you know about this all phrase, then it is very easy. It is going to be
easy.
very easy for you when you read book. When you read
Yeah,
book, you will get the what's the content has written here very easily if you know about
yeah,
this.
yeah, of
Otherwise,
course.
we are very confused why this is second of none. What is this second of none?
Yeah,
Why
what
it
is the use of this word?
yes,
Yeah.